Let me show you how you can start an affiliate marketing business with artificial intelligence if you're a complete beginner. So affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and if you can put yourself between the company and the buyer, you can make a commission. One of the cool things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to promote other people's products, and if someone buys through your link, you can make a commission. But here's the thing, if you want to succeed, you need to do it the right way. The first step you need to do is that you need to choose a niche. And the best niches to promote are the make money online, health and fitness, and relationship niche. The second step is to find a product to promote. Let me show you how you can do that. You can write on Google make money online affiliate programs, or health and fitness affiliate programs, or relationship affiliate programs. I'm going to show you a website in which you can find products to promote. The name is ClickBank. You can create a free account if you click in this blue button. If you go to the marketplace, you can find all these categories and products to promote. For example, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, and many more things. I'm going to choose health and fitness, and we're going to promote this product, Live Pure. Then you need to go here on this blue button where it says promote. Click it and then create hub link. And this is the link that we need to promote. And if someone buys through this link, we can make a commission. Now, you can use this strategy to promote any product, but it's important to promote products that are going to help people. The next step is to click on the sales page, and we can find information about this product. And this is a weight loss product. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this information to write a YouTube script. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and paste the information. Then I can go to bizla.com and click on create a video. I'm going to choose text. I'm going to copy the script and paste it here. Then if you want, you can change it a little bit and make it a little cleaner. The next step is to click on generate video. Then click on export. Then you need to choose if you want to upgrade to premium or regenerate with free stock. Then you need to click on these three dots to download the video. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube title for a weight loss product. We're going to copy this keyword. Now we're going to upload our video on our YouTube channel. And remember to put your affiliate link in the description. It's important for you to know that to start getting commissions, it takes time. And you need to keep creating videos so your channel can grow around that specific niche. Now, the problem with this strategy is that you are not collecting leads or emails. You are just sending traffic to your affiliate link. And if you want to have a long-term affiliate business, you need to put your landing page before your affiliate offer. And if you want to learn, go to my YouTube channel and click on this video, how to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing in 2023. And if you want to get access to the same system I have to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.